Okay, so far we have completed three modules. That is the stakeholders rules and regulations, and then we did basic principles of flight and radio telephony (RTR). So, any questions so far on that topics?
No, no, I'm
Anything
getting clear. Clear.
clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. And then I will tell you that once you refer to the summary sheets, the documents,
Mm-hmm.
after this, maybe after the today's session, just go through
Mm.
first
Yes.
modules.
Yeah.
You will recollect whatever I have taught, the words, every word, every line, what I have said, you will able to read
Correct.
it back. So everything
Yes.
is there. Okay, the more you read, you will able to recollect the things what I have told. I will share you some images also. You can correlate with them also and all that thing. So it will be very, very easy and simple. Only thing is you need to spend some time. Okay, at least before the theory exam, whenever your theory exam, make sure that you read the
Yeah.
summary
Yeah.
sheet document at least minimum 5 times.
Yeah. Yeah.
दिन में एक
No,
बार भी
we'll
पढ़ो
need to
तो
go.
हो जाएगा अभी क्या immediately हमारा flying नहीं है तो
Mm-hmm.
we'll still have good time to go through it and read it. It becomes
Mm.
easy. I will be sharing some questions also by end of the day today.
Yes.
As well as on WhatsApp I will share you some questions so it will help you to prepare yourself. Okay. So the next topic is fixed wing operations and aerodynamics. Okay. This so we are not see we are actually getting licensed on rotorcraft. Okay.
Okay.
But we need to know all three types of drones. We need to know their operations. We need to know their aerodynamics. Okay, that's why when we are learning about drone, we are not learning only one specific. Though we may focus more on rotorcraft, but we are making sure that education or the training what is being trained for the students, they are aware of all the three.
All kind of.
कल अगर आप फिक्स्ड विंग का ऑपरेशंस करने चाहते हो या ट्रेनिंग करना चाहते हो तो यू विल ऑलरेडी अवेयर ऑफ बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स यू ऑलरेडी बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज वाइस वर्सा दे आर लिंक टू ईच अदर क्या ऐसा कोई नहीं कि रोटरक्राफ्ट का ही सिर्फ रोटरक्राफ्ट सीखेंगे फिक्स्ड विंग का फिक्स्ड विंग है बिकॉज फिक्स्ड विंग रोटरक्राफ्ट आर कंबाइंड एंड कॉल्ड एज हाइब्रिड okay so when we are talking of hybrid you should know how fixed wing works you should know how rotorcraft works. Okay, so people normally after getting a small class license, people upgrade themselves after 3 months or 6 months. They upgrade to medium. After medium, they upgrade to hybrid. Okay, like that. So that is what normally the trend is there. People who does, but there are very less people in that segment. Like people who have done small, then people have done medium, and then upgrade to hybrid. Even I have not done hybrid training.
Okay.
I own hybrid drones, but I have not done my certification or training in hybrid because I do not see as of now immediate until unless BVLS comes into the picture. Okay, so there is no point because
So for a hybrid and fixed,
expensive.
you need a different license. You're saying
Yes, for fixed wing you need a separate license. For hybrid,
because it is mostly used for defense.
yes, mostly it is used by defense.
Okay.
Okay, तो फिक्स्ड विंग का लाइसेंस अभी तक किसी को इंडिविजुअल्स को मतलब नॉर्मल जो सिविलियन है उनको नहीं दिया जाता है
अच्छा दिया जाता
दिया
नहीं.
ही नहीं जाता है ओके
Okay.
because you are not going to fly those you are not getting opportunity to fly that one because we do not have ecosystem we do not have
I
rules
got
and
it.
regulations ready
Until
for
unless
civilians
you are connected with
Defense.
the defense or
yeah correct so that's the
Okay.
reason why we do not have those license as of now hybrid available है but hybrid का भी application is very limited okay until unless आप कभी कर सकते हो जब आपको कोई opportunity मिल रहा है या you are working for some organization there then and there you can require to get it but for normal small and medium is more than enough as of now I think even medium is very high end as of now small is more than enough for start off okay so
Yes.
let's come back fixed wing operations and aerodynamics so fixed wing is nothing but aeroplane how actually aeroplane flies that we have seen in basic principles of flight so what are fixed wing drones fixed wing drones are the aeroplanes or airplanes which generate lift under the wing due to forward air speed क्योंकि आपका प्रोपेलर घूम रहा है तो फॉरवर्ड एयर स्पीड रहेगा या इंजन घूम रहा है तो फॉरवर्ड एयर स्पीड विल बी देयर व्हिच आइदर प्रोड्यूस्ड आइदर बाय इंटरनल कंबशन इंजन यानी कि जैसे आपका कार में जो इंजन है आईसी इंजन इंटरनल कंबशन इंजन और इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर बीएलडीसी मोटर ओके ब्रशलेस डीसी मोटर जो होता है एनी ऑफ दिस टू इंजन हो सकता है व्हिच विल एक्चुअली मूव योर प्रोपेलर्स और rotors okay they require either handheld catapult or runway takeoff or can fly continuously over long distance as opposed to hovering so if you see these fixed wings they need either to be thrown by hand or
like what they are shown in Uri.
catapult mechanism okay there is a spring mechanism which is there which will push the aeroplane with very high speed in the air, and then it will keep flying. Okay.
Like what they have shown, you mentioned about Uri.
उरी में हाथ से किया था.
हाथ से किया था, हाँ.
Okay. Catapult is like a spring होता है, जैसे
I got it. Yes.
गन में बुलेट कैसे शूट करते
वो
हो,
एरो होता है वैसा.
हाँ, एरो जैसा. एरो इज लाइक अ कैटापल्ट. ओके. Whereas there is another way is fixed wing is the runway, जहाँ पे वो नॉर्मल एरोप्लेन के जैसे रनवे पे रन करता है and then takes off. So this is the three mechanism to launch the fixed wing drones into the air. Okay, what is the forward motion produced? Forward motion is produced by either internal combustion engine or maybe by BLDC motor, electric motor. Okay, अगर internal combustion engine है तो there will be some kind of a fuel. Okay, it will be nitro fuel, it would be gasoline, or it could be kerosene also, or even it can be diesel also. Okay, depending upon the type of IC engine. Okay, now if you see the fixed wing का जो wings का design है, okay, design defines the efficiency. Okay, so rectangular, normal, straight wings, they are very less efficient. Initially जब aeroplanes बने एकदम शुरू में, राइट ब्रदर्स ने भी जो एरोप्लेन्स बनाया था, इट वाज हैविंग अ रेक्टेंगुलर विंग शेप, राइट. बट उसका थोड़ा सा एज भी देखोगे आप तो कर्व था, राइट. सो दोस कर्व शेप एक्चुअली यूजेस विंग्स एफिशिएंसी. ओके, सो यू सी टेपर्ड. ओके, टेपर्ड, थोड़ा सा एंगल दे दिया एंड एजेस को थोड़ा कर्व कर दिया. हियर यू सी दे आर मोर लेट स्ट्रेट, राइट. हियर देखो मॉडरेटली एफिशिएंट, दिस इज मॉडरेट. वेयरएज हाईली एफिशिएंट, अगर आप वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 के एरोप्लेन्स देखोगे, मुस्तांग देखोगे या फिर स्पिटफायर देखोगे, क्रॉसहेयर देखोगे, ऑल दोस एरोप्लेन्स व्हिच वर फ्लोन ड्यूरिंग वर्ल्ड वॉर 2, you will see their wings are something like this. They are because they are highly efficient. Okay, but bigger aeroplanes you cannot create such kind of wings. Okay, so they will use something called as swept wings. Okay, so you see Boeing is using something like this, swept wings. Okay, so slightly swept wing, moderately swept wing, highly swept wing. Now bigger aeroplane you cannot make wings shorter. You need to keep wing much bigger. Whereas this type of wings you will see in military aircrafts.
Yes.
Jet जो military jets होते हैं उसमें
military jets हैं.
Yeah. Whereas Boeing में आप देखा रहेगा ये ऐसा रहेगा shape. बड़ा wing रहेगा, big wing span रहेगा, right? So these are called swept wing design. Okay? There is another which is called delta, very complex. Okay, उसमें एक ही wing होता है, एक ही shape, मतलब body में ही वो wing shape रहता है. These are very very high speed, जैसे B2 bomber है, अमेरिका का B2 बॉम्बर है, या वेरी हाई स्पीड एरोप्लेन्स जो होते हैं जिसमें विंग एंड बॉडी एक दूसरे के अंदर ही मर्ज हुआ रहता है, राइट. नथिंग लाइक सेपरेट, छोटा. बट देन दीज आर वेरी स्मॉल एरोप्लेन्स, हाई स्पीड एरोप्लेन्स, हाई स्पीड सबसोनिक सुपरसोनिक फ्लाइट्स, या इवन कॉन्कॉर्ड में था ऐसे. करेक्ट, डिसकंटिन्यू हो गया. कॉन्कॉर्ड का वैसे था बिकॉज इट वाज वेरी हाई स्पीड. उसमें विंग इज ओनली फॉर अ बेसिक मैन्यूअर, बिकॉज स्पीड ही इतना पावरफुल है कि विंग का कोई रोल नहीं है फ्लाइट में. विंग इज ओनली फॉर बेसिक स्टेबलाइजेशन एंड बेसिक कंट्रोल्स के लिए. बट स्पीड इतना है ना कि वहां पे विंग वेरी लेस रोल प्ले करता है. ओके, सो इन दैट सिनेरियो वी नॉर्मली यूज डेल्टा विंग्स. ओके, सो व्हाट आर द पार्ट्स? सो अगेन द रुस्तम ड्रोन जो है, डीआरडीओ का रुस्तम ड्रोन जो है, उसका एक पिक्चर डाला है यहाँ पे, जस्ट टू शोकेस यू द पार्ट्स ऑफ द ड्रोन्स, फिक्स्ड विंग ड्रोन्स. So you can see there is a belly or fuselage, what we called. Okay, the fuselage is having the fuel tank and all that things would be there. Then there will be two engines on left and right side. So engine or motors, IC engine is there. You can see tires, landing gears, what we call them. Then each engine will have its own propeller. So there will be two propellers on either side. The fixed wing is there on which you will see ailerons, the control surface. Okay, so on the wing you will see ailerons. On the horizontal stabilizer you will see elevators. On a vertical stabilizer you will see rudder. Okay, so you can see a tail. So you see nose is heavy, tail is lighter, smaller, sleeker, right? Whereas nose आपका देखो उसका बड़ा है, bulgy है. So weight is more. So your CG is more on the front side compared to back side. Okay. You will have the wings, you will have the propellers, you will have landing gauge, fuel gauge, and then you can see here belly में आप थोड़ा सा protruder दिख रहा है. यहाँ पे आपके cameras या sensors and all that things would be landed. On the wings there is a provision to launch or put the rockets or missiles and all that things. Okay. Primarily this Rustam drone has been defined for surveillance. Okay, that's why you don't see much of the things on these wings and all the things. You will see camera, thermal camera, high resolution cameras, all that things will be put on the belly part of the this particular drone. Okay, so these are the parts of the fixed wing UAE. Okay, so fixed wing RPS system, propulsion system, fuel system, control system, avionics, takeoff and landing system, and payload system. So these are all the components of fixed wing. So let's see one by one each system. Propulsion system, as we said earlier, it could be IC engine or it could be a brushless direct current motor, that is BLDC motor. Okay, we call it as BLDC motor. So these are very silent motor, very highly efficient, but they are only meant for smaller payloads or smaller capacity of drones. If your drone capacity is very high, then you will probably use IC engines. Okay, so if you see here in this, these are IC engines. Okay, if you see here, this Predator drone is also using IC engine.
IC engine.
Okay, smaller fixed wing hai, like this in the picture, you can use BLDC motors. Okay, so this could be a category of like a micro or small. Okay, whereas IC engine will be probably medium or large category. Okay, so bigger the drones, the type of the propulsion system will change. Okay, so BLDC will normally use in nano, micro or small category class, because these will be of a very small in size, small in weight, small in dimensions and all the things. But big aeroplanes like medium and large class, they will normally use IC engine because they require more endurance. BLDC will not give you more endurance because they are powered by lithium batteries. लिथियम बैटरी आपको 10 मिनट, 20 मिनट्स, 30 मिनट्स, 40 मिनट्स, मैक्स टू मैक्स आपको 60 मिनट्स तक पावर देगा, उससे ज्यादा नहीं देगा. ओके, मोर पावर मींस मोर बल्कियर इट विल बिकम बिकॉज बैटरी का वेट बढ़ जाता है.
Correct.
So that will also change the dynamics of the aircraft also. Whereas IC engine कैसा, IC engine तो वही है, 10 लीटर का टैंक लिखो या 60 लीटर का टैंक, ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं होता है वेट में. So weight जो भी है, but that weight will, whatever the fuel you are carrying will give you the longer endurance. और ऊपर से क्या होगा, आपका जैसे जैसे weight कम हो जाएगा, because you are consuming fuel, your consumption of the fuel will also be reduced as your weight is getting reduced also here. वो BLDC में नहीं होगा. दो आपका बैटरी कंज्यूम, मतलब बैटरी आपने 10% कंज्यूम किया, आपके पास 50% बैटरी है 20 मिनट्स के हिसाब से, the weight will remain the same only. Whereas in IC engine आपने 50% fuel consume किया, आपका 50% weight कम हो गया उधर सीधा, right? Approximately, I'm just saying. Okay, so that is the efficiency. So the more power दोगे, more petrol डालोगे, more diesel डालोगे, शुरू में heavy रहेगा, but as it consumes, it becomes lighter. It will have more power to efficiency, fuel to efficiency will be there. Here you will not have a efficiency. Okay, so but IC engines are noisier than BLDC. तो stealth portion करना है तो आप IC engine वाले aeroplanes नहीं, but then again these are not flying at a very low altitude. These will fly at a very high altitude. 20,000 feet पे तो आपको आवाज भी नहीं आएगा, आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा वो ड्रोन उड़ रहा है करके ऊपर. Okay, so you will not know also. Okay, propellers are made of different composites. Like it could be plastic, it could be wooden, or it could be carbon fiber also. So made of wood, industrial or small grade plastic, or maybe carbon fiber. So basically these are connected to the motor, either IC engine or BLDC motor, to connect to provide the thrust or generate the thrust in forward motion. Okay, the fuel system for these motors, okay, either BLDC motors or IC engine. IC engine के लिए जैसे मैंने बोला, you will require liquid fuel, so stored in a tank mounted in fuselage. Okay, so it could be glow, nitro fuel, gasoline or diesel is used. It provides better thrust to weight ratio than lithium based batteries. LiPo or lithium ion batteries are widely used batteries. They are used for custom build. You can custom build according to your requirement and space. They are capable of higher endurance flight based. This is compared to the normal batteries. Okay, they are compared to the normal batteries. Energy density is far less than IC engines. Okay, because energy, I mean, you get only 60 minutes max endurance with this compared to the IC. There are some alternative systems has come up that we have seen in one of the example where there was a drone, hydrogen powered drone, right? So the hydrogen power is also another consideration coming into usage for drone, but still these are all in prototypes. Even solar powered drones are also there. but again these both alternative options are in still in prototype. They are not commercialized or they are not still in use. Okay, they are
Even I heard it for the first time, solar powered.
yeah, solar powered. There was aeroplane. There is aeroplane which is flying across the globe without touchdown for almost 12 or 18 hours. Okay, solar power. Okay, so they are doing it, but then it has its own challenges and also think probably maybe down the line 2 years, 5 years, probably this will become a mainstream also. Hydrogen and solar powered ones. Like we saw, na, EV cars were not there, but last couple of years EV
Yes,
and EV cars are
The
also happening,
consumption,
right? So same thing will go for aeroplanes also. Okay, either it will be hydrogen or solar powered. Where we will be moving away from lithium and liquid fuels,
liquid fuels.
fossil fuels, what we call it. Okay. Now, when you are controlling the drone, okay, there are controls what you need to know. Okay, the role. Okay, so normally we use the first word. Okay, what is our organization name? RPTO, right? Remote Pilot Training Organization. So same is applicable here. RPTO. Okay, जगह पे Y.
Why?
Yo. Okay, so we call it yo. RPT yo. Okay, so RPTY. So RPTY is roll, pitch, throttle, and roll. So on your right side, your left and right motion is called roll motion. Okay, left and right side motion. If you move the joystick left and right, okay, left and right, it will be create a roll motion. That means your drone will roll on left side or right side.
Yes.
If you move your joystick up and down, that will give you pitch. Okay, so that will give you pitch. मतलब drone आगे जाएगा या पीछे आएगा, pitch forward या pitch back होगा. So your right side stick, left right is roll, up and down is pitch. So up and down करने से क्या होता है? Drone आगे जाएगा या पीछे जाएगा, pitch forward या pitch back होगा. On your left side, if you move your stick up and down, it will elevate the drone, either up or it will descend your drone. Okay, so throttle up, throttle down, what we call. Okay, so आगे पीछे करोगे तो throttle up, throttle down होगा. And if you move left and right, it will move your drone direction, heading change होगा. yaw बोलते हैं, that yaw बोलते हैं.
Yawing.
तो अगर आपका ड्रोन फ्रंट ऐसा दिख रहा है तो it will change. Okay, yaw right or yaw left. Okay, so these are the controls. So there is a mode what we follow. Okay, the mode what we call. जैसे हम लोग left hand drive, right hand drive बोलते हैं ना. Similarly, this is called mode. Okay, so normally this mode is called mode 2. Okay, this is called as mode 2. So your roll and pitch on your right side and your throttle and yaw on your left side is called mode 2 configuration. अगर ये interchange हो जाता है कि आपका roll and pitch on the left side and throttle and yaw on your right side, that is called as mode 1 configuration. So normally mode 1 configuration कोई use नहीं करता है, वो अगर lefty है तो उसके लिए है, या some people are configured for using mode 1, then only they use it. Normal it is mode 2 configuration. It is like a right hand drive. So right hand drive is mode 2 configuration. So mode 2 क्या बोलता है? Your right side is roll, pitch, throttle and yaw. That is how you. So your remote आपके जो screen में दिख रहा है, you will see this kind of remote. So the joysticks, this is one joystick which has two controls: channel 1, channel 2, channel 3 and channel 4. Okay, so channel 1 will be roll, this will be the roll, this will be the pitch will be throttle, yaw. This will be throttle and this will be yaw. Okay, so that is how you will use the controls. Okay, so as I told you that when we are flying the drones, though we are learning to fly the drone manually, that is because for our learning purpose or license purposes. But when you are doing projects or you are executing some activities and all that, you are not flying drone manually. Most of the time you will be flying using mission planning software. Okay, there is a software, or ground control station softwares are there. Okay, so there is a software by name called Mission Planner. Okay, this is software available for Windows. Okay, Mission Planner is a ground control station for plane, copter and rover. Okay, so the same software can be used to control the plane. It can be control copter, that is a rotorcraft, or also rover. Okay, it is compatible as of now with Windows only. Mission Planner used as a configuration utility or as a dynamic control system for autonomous vehicle. यानी जब भी आपको ड्रोन autonomously fly करना है तो आपको मिशन प्लानर सॉफ्टवेयर लगता है. So now this is a free software. Okay, free software है तो people don't trust. So from this software, people take this because the source code is available for this software. So this software is available for anybody to take and develop further on this. You can customize, you can configure, you can do a lot of building of the software on this particular software.
So it is not there on Apple.
This is not on Apple.
Okay.
This is only on Windows as of now.
Oh,
Okay, so there are third-party softwares. Other softwares are available, which you can download or you can purchase for the other versions of it. But primarily, maximum जो भी development हुआ है through this software only, entire ecosystem is developed. Okay, even though commercial softwares are available and all this, they are developed from this particular software only because this software has a very good base of coders or developers. A lot of development happens within the software itself. So whatever new thing comes into the software, and then people are incorporated into their own commercial softwares. And okay, so this software is normally used for flying the drones for monitoring climate change, carrying out search operations during natural disaster, photography, filming, delivering goods, agriculture, spraying, all the things in this software is being used. तो लोग क्या करते हैं, जैसे आयोटेक एविगेशन ने क्या किया, वो सॉफ्टवेयर लिया, उसको कोड लिया, उसका कोड को मॉडिफाई किया, खुद का लोगो डाला, खुद का सब कुछ डाला और खुद का ग्राउंड कंट्रोल स्टेशन सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया. Okay, so every time Mission Control releases new version, they take that software, upgrade their own software and change all the wherever logo डालना है, all the things, they know all where what changes required. So accordingly they will do the changes and they will upgrade their software accordingly. But they will sell that software as a subscription based software. That's how they earn the money on the software part. Because there are developers setting and designing and working on those modification of that software. Yeah.
This is whatever we are the software which we are talking about. So all these things are done through this software itself.
Yes. If you are flying autonomously, like जैसे मुझे agriculture spraying करना है, right? या फिर मुझे कहीं पे search operations create, either I can fly manually or I will create a pattern, right?
Yes. The way you initially told, कि when it is done autonomously, it is done quick on a faster.
Yeah, you will efficiently use the power. Right? You will efficiently use the time. ये तो आपको बहुत time लगेगा. लेकिन for example, I will talk you tomorrow about when I am talking about drone data analysis. That time I will give you example of power line towers. देखिए हम लोग पावर लाइन टावर्स का जब प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे थे शुरू में, we were flying the drones manual way. So my engineer my pilot who was flying the drones, he used to take one tower 30 minutes. Okay, but जब मैंने autonomous software develop किया and to fly and capture the images, it was taking only 10 minutes of time. So in a day, I was able to complete initially only roughly around 3 to 4 towers, max 5 to 6 towers. Whereas after having autonomous software, I was able to complete 15 to 20 towers in a day.
Okay.
Okay, so that efficiency increase होता है ना मेरा. कम टाइम में मैं जो मेरे को एक्टिविटी करना है वो मेरा हो रहा है. Right? Efficiency is improved. Okay, so for fixed wing, takeoff and landing and recovery system. So as I said earlier, it is handheld or it could be catapult, that is a spring-loaded mechanism, or runway or takeoff. Whereas recovery is either by parachute, okay, or it just lands using the parachute, or it lands on a net recovery, okay, or अगर क्या बोलते हैं व्हील्स है तो रनवे पे लैंड करेगा वो, राइट? व्हील्स है तो रनवे पे लैंड होगा, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन टाइप ऑफ फिक्स्ड विंग. Okay, so these two types of fixed wing normally will be either recovery using parachute or a net recovery or a zip line बोलते हैं उसको, zip line recovery. Okay, so there is a zip line which it gets stacked into it and then it holds the aeroplane in a vertical position, hanging kind of. Okay. Whereas ये Predator drone बहुत बड़ा drone है, big, very big drone. So this drone will always
land on a
runway or ठीक है?
Yes.
So application of the fixed wing basically for surveillance, agriculture mapping है, wildlife protection है, बड़ा construction site है, big construction locations you are doing it, और mining जैसा area है, बड़ा area को जब आप cover up करना है, तो normally you will use fixed wings. Okay, because this requires longer endurance capacity, longer area to cover up, high
It
resolution
will take more time also.
time also. Like for
So
example,
instead of
in
factory.
2023, Gujarat government has done a survey of complete Gujarat state for crop. तो अगर पूरा स्टेट का मुझे सर्वेलेंस करना है तो वहां पे मैं रोटर क्राफ्ट नहीं उड़ा सकता ना 20 मिनट्स में पूरा गुजरात स्टेट को तो नहीं कवर कर सकता ना तो देयर आई हैव टू यूज फिक्स विंग ओनली सो दे हैव फ्लोन फिक्स विंग multiple times and they are able to capture the entire crop history of their state. So they have used fixed wing. Similarly, Uttar Pradesh में भी fixed wing use होते हैं for surveying the crops and all that thing. यहाँ पे बड़े-बड़े forest areas जहाँ पे wildlife protections है, we want to survey the forest area and all the things.
So for the complex and a larger surface, fixed wings is used.
Fixed wing is used. Yes.
Okay. And also it must be having a good technology rather than
payload. Payloads normally these are very high resolution cameras, thermal cameras, lidars, which are very heavy and expensive components. Sometimes these payloads are more expensive than the drone itself. Okay. So in that scenario, we will normally use fixed wing because we need to have a higher endurance because that payloads itself is a cost. Sometimes you take them on a rent. Like lidar, अगर मैं लेता हूँ तो it is 10,000 rupees per day.
Okay.
Sometimes even it is expensive. 25,000 rupees also they charge per day, depending upon the light, what type of lidar I'm using. Okay, so in that scenario, I have to do the activity in less time. I cannot afford to spend 5 days. 5 days रहेगा तो मेरा बिलिंग बढ़ जाएगा 50,000 हो जाएगा या whatever it is. But अगर मेरा flying time faster होगा और shorter होगा, I may not require to fly for 5 days. I may have to require it only for 1 or 2 days. So that's why I will save the money over there. Okay, so depending upon my requirement, I will decide what application. Based on that, I will define my what type of drone I want to, whether I want to use fixed wing or not. Okay, so this is last slide, comparison of fixed wing with multi-rotor. So fixed wing का definition क्या? Unable to maintain the fixed position. It cannot stop at one particular way. It has to continuously forward motion. So forward motion लेके घूम के वापस आएगा, वापस data capture करेगा, वापस data capture करेगा. Like this.
So like a plane, like a aircraft.
Like an aeroplane. Right? So it will go further, it will take a turn, it will come back, again take survey, again come back. Like that, there will be a pattern defined for this also. You can define a pattern also for this. Okay, can only fly horizontally. Okay, so it can only fly horizontally. Require hand or mechanical launch or the runway. Fixed wing के लिए either hand है, mechanical launch चाहिए या फिर runway चाहिए. But it can have a longer average flight time. That means it can fly longer period. 2 घंटा, 4 घंटा, 8 घंटा, 10 घंटा, 2 दिन, 4, 1 day, 2 days it can fly. Can carry heavier payloads. So they are aerodynamically designed. They can carry heavier payload. Greater stability in the wind. Why? Because they are aerodynamically designed. Okay, so they are more stable in the wind. अगर heavy winds भी आ रहा है तो भी still it is fly safely. Okay, generally higher speed flight. That means it can cover a larger area. Okay, it can cover a larger area, longer area. It can fly farther also. Okay, so that is the advantage. But some advantages are disadvantages also. Okay, like if you see multi-rotor, that is quadcopter or hexacopter, easy to control and maneuver. एक बार ड्रोन टेक ऑफ किया वो हवा में रहेगा, hover होगा, nothing to worry. But this fixed wing you need to maintain. Fixed wing आपको फ्लाई करना पड़ेगा ना, कंटिन्यूसली मॉनिटर करना पड़ेगा, वो एक जगह पे जाके वापस टर्न करके वापस लाना पड़ेगा. Right? You need to continuously monitor and continuously fly fixed wing. Whereas rotor craft तो आपको घंटा लगा के आपने रिमोट रख दिया, वो रोटर क्राफ्ट उधर ही खड़ा रहेगा.
अच्छा.
Hover.
Okay.
It will hover. So ability to hover, have the ability to hover, can take off and land vertically. It can take off.
Yeah, like a helicopter.
But limitations क्या है? Limited flying time. 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes max तक आपका. Since these are not aerodynamically designed, they are less stable in wind. अगर 15 knots के ऊपर wind है तो आपका ड्रोन ड्रिफ्ट होगा, वाइब्रेट लोकेशन चेंज करेगा. Okay, lower speed flight compared to fixed wing. Fixed multi-rotors are having a lower flight speed. They cannot fly faster than fixed wing. Okay, and also small payload capacity because they are very small. आपका मोटर कितना पावर उठा पाएगा? Okay, it will not pick up much weight because motor is actually pushing the air down and it is flying. Okay, here the fixed wing is flying using aerodynamics. Here it is not using aerodynamics. Here it is using Newton's third law of motion, pushing the air down and it is coming. So जितना air push करेगा उतना ही उठा पाएगा ना. अगर मोटर का कैपेसिटी ही नहीं है तो उड़ेगा ही नहीं वो. So small payload capabilities. Okay, so with that we complete the topic on fixed wing operations and aerodynamics. The next topic is rotorcraft operations and aerodynamics, that will take tomorrow morning. Because that takes a longer time. It needs at least 30 minutes to 40 minutes of explanation. Okay, and that is a more important topic. I want to start that topic of fresh.
Right.
Hybrid doesn't take much time. It is just a 10 minutes session. Okay, so max by first 1 hour morning time, 10 to 11, we should be able to complete our rotorcraft and hybrid mechanics. Okay, so with that we will end today's date, today's session. I will just take attendance. Just give me a minute. Take the attendance. Okay. Just see if in front.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think we have done today's session. I hope it was very interesting for you.
Very interesting, yes, very interesting.
So
learned
we'll
a lot of new things.
Yes.
Yes.
So more you learn, you revise more things. You have any questions, you can come back. I'll be sharing you some questions also on the WhatsApp. Okay, you can go through them, try to answer yourself, and I will check and revert back to you in case if anything is wrong or right and all the things. And tomorrow we'll discuss. And also on day 3, when we go for a flight over there, we will be also discussing a lot of things related to theory, revising the theory, and then we'll going for the test. So not to worry about. Anyway, it is a multiple choice questions on Maneka Karopati type. So 4 answers will be there. So it is very easy. If you have read the summary sheet, you can easily score good marks in the test. Okay.
Yes.
Not to worry about it. Okay. So with that.
Okay.
Thank you very much for today's
session. Thank you to you also.
Yeah. We'll connect back tomorrow and continue further with the modules. Okay?
All right. Yes.
Sure. Bye.
Okay. Bye. Good night.
Good night.